Is there a way to replace an already uploaded video to YouTube? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Essetino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so we get this question all the time. Once you've already uploaded a video to YouTube, it may or may not be released. Can you replace that exact one? The quick answer is no. You cannot, and I'll explain why. I'm just going to head into one of our videos here. The reason why you can't replace an already uploaded video to YouTube is because it creates this unique video link for you, the YouTube link, and YouTube won't allow you to replace it. Now, if you really don't want that video up and you do need to replace it, you'll have to delete it and then re-upload the video. Oh, and just a note here, let's say you already have the video uploaded and then you upload the exact same one, it won't allow you to have a duplicate of the same video. So like I mentioned, if you really want to replace it, you have to delete it and then re-upload it again. Basically, what you would do is click on the video that you want to delete, head to more actions, and then you would click on delete forever. It's going to ask you again to confirm. And then once you actually click it to confirm, it does take a few minutes before it's actually removed from your dashboard and from YouTube. Now you might also be asking, what if I just need to remove a section or a part of the video? If that's the case, then you can click on the pencil icon of the video, and then on the left hand side you can click on editor, and from here you'll have a couple of options: trim and cut and blur. Let's say you wanted to trim and cut. You would move this little time head here to wherever you needed to make the first cut, click on new cut, and then from here you can do a couple of things. So you can manually enter in the exact time that you want the second cut to happen, or you can just stretch this thing out to however long or short you want that section to be cut out. This in the red is the section you are taking out of the video. You can also preview it. If you're happy with it, you would click the checkmark button. I don't actually want to make this cut, so I'm going to click X. But once you've gone through and made your cut, you'd basically click save. Keep in mind that doing this kind of change will take a while to complete. It's not a fast thing. YouTube can take hours for this change to take place, so definitely keep that in mind. So that was the trim and cut. The blur will also be a similar way of doing the edit, of adding a blur to a specific part of the video. So there you have it. That is the answer to, can you replace an already uploaded video to YouTube? If you found this video helpful, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you want to know how our YouTube channel makes over $10,000 a month creating simple tutorials like this, head down to the description below as we have a free training for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.